Let us see a concrete pavement design using AASHTOWare software. So I am opening my software and everything looks good. License status standard. So okay. And now this is the first window we see. Everything is like a blank. So we will use a new project. You can open it also if you already did something. So new, and we will do design type. This is where we should select design is new pavement or overlay. If it is new, say new. Pavement type flexible, jointed plain concrete or continuously reinforced concrete. So let us do jointed plain concrete because it is a educational type video, so anything simple should be good. So whenever I clicked it, I got a layer like a concrete layer. It is showing like Poisson ratio, thickness. I can change everything, unit weight, then coefficient of thermal expansion, heat capacity, thermal conductivity. So all these material properties that we learned, that whatever we need for concrete material in concrete pavement. So something else also, cement type, water cement ratio, curing method, all these, zero stress temperature. So you can input everything manually or you can use the default value based on your need. So what I will do, I will add one more layer below it. So below say non-stabilized base. Okay, take this one. You can choose whatever you like or whatever you need. So I'm giving yes. And below this, let us apply one more layer. Say subgrade. Say material is A6. Whatever. Yes. So I selected. Now you can click this one, click any layer and change the material properties. Click any layer, change the material properties depending on your need. So you can see there is some yellow line. Yellow means like something may be wrong, just it is giving you a warning to check. Red means it is not input. It was not given as input, you need to input. Green means it is ready to go, but you should check all the information you are giving. So here, if I expand the pavement structure, I see yellow here. So let us check what happens, and check one more time. Everything looks good or no? To me, everything looks good. Then design properties. Click here and check everything is good or no. All the input. Then traffic. So click here. Annual average daily track traffic 4,000. If your value is different, change different value. Say if your value is say 3,500, put whatever number lane. If it is 4 or okay, change to 4, whatever. Whatever is your need, you can choose. You can input this manually. You can input monthly adjustment factor. You can input Excel per track, whatever you need. You can input this, the daily percentage, and then the load spectra, single axle load distribution, different months, different classes, different load values. What is the percentage? It is here. Similarly for all other. Then climate, click climate. If you click climate, you have to choose a climate station. Say I'm choosing Alabama. If I click here, it is showing, now it is showing very small amount of climate station. There are thousands all over USA. So if you buy the standard license, they will show you all thousands here. So then you can choose your own, or also you can interpolate between two climate station. So this time let us choose Alabama. Click here and then select climate station. So everything is selected. Now output, if you want Excel output, so generate Excel report. Yes, true, that means correct. Okay, so this project is ready to be run. Now if I revise what I did here, just select the pavement type, newer overlay, what kind of pavement, then give all the information, material properties, traffic demand, climate, and your say construction time, say pavement construction June 22, traffic opening September 22, whatever it is. Yes, just input everything, save and run. So very simple. and after running, analyze whether it fulfills your requirement or no. If it fulfills, is it over design or like if it is over, how much? So based on this you can choose or take a decision. Okay, so I will select here, let us name, say I don't know what name I will give, say 4. Okay, so I saved it. Okay, let me say it is 20 years. 20 years means it will take a long time to learn it. I'll make it short so that I can save some time in my video, or even make it 5 years so that we can do it very quickly. Hey, whatever you need, you can choose it. Okay, so save and then run. Then it will run, it will first like determine the material properties, material temperature. Then it will do structural analysis to determine the stress and strain, and based on stress strain it will calculate different um, different distresses. Oh, I forgot to discuss this here. These are the distresses we will calculate, and if it is the limit you can set. Say terminal initial roughness index 172. That means 172 is your failure criteria. Initially 63. Say mean joint faulting, if it is more than 0.12 inch, you will assume that your pavement is failing. So this is your criteria. You can change it. Yes, just click it and change it. Very simple. This is the reliability. That means what is your desired reliability. And we do not want to design pavement based on 50% reliability. 50% means 50% may be successful. No, not like this. 50% pavement will show you that data, 50% will not. 90% means 90% of the pavement will show you this data. So yes, after running you will get a Excel by default whether you click select or no. So the Excel automatically came. You can see your basic information, and this is your design analysis summary. Everything is passing because maybe your section is so thick. You can see the PCC layer is 10 inch, so it's a very strong pavement. And 10 inch base layer, very strong pavement. This is why mostly it is passing. So your target here, say mean joint faulting was 0.12, you got only 0.03. That means you have some it is way over design, way over design. Here your target was 15 transverse cracking, you are getting only 0.96, so very over design. So what you will do, go back to the software, change the PCC layer, say 6 inch, and change this to maybe 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, change and see, so that your target and predicted are very close, so that it becomes a economical design. Okay, so if you want to see the Excel, so if I go to, so mostly our file name was project 4. So if you see here, you can see they gave you the Excel sheet also, so that if you need to make a report based on the analysis, then you can. There are so many inputs, traffic input, traffic distribution, Excel configuration, everything is your input. And if you see, based on so many data, distress data, everything is given here. So IRI, mean fault, mean joint faulting, transverse cracking, and this is mean level, this is at 90% reliability. So all the data are presented in Excel. So this is how we design concrete pavement in using AASHTOWare software. So everything is clean and simple. Just input everything, load it, and run it, and then check it whether it's good or bad. Come back and then change whatever you want to change, and save as, and then run again and analyze. So hopefully you understood how to use AASHTOWare software. Very simple and very fast. So I will stop here. We will see in a next video. Thank you.